I'm Lita Liepens with Small Cap Power, and we're live on location at the 2018 Cambridge House Extraordinary Future Conference. We're really excited because there's all kinds of great technology companies here, and I'm sitting with Rob Hill, CFO of Emerald Health Therapeutics. The cannabis industry is just exploding. Tell us a little bit about what your company does.
Yeah, it is, Lita. We're a licensed producer in Canada, and we've been producing in Victoria in a small facility there, 3,000 square feet for the last 4 years. But we are in the process of making the jump to the next level, and we've got a facility in Delta that it's a joint venture between us and an amazing partner called Village Farms, and they've been in the growing business on a massive scale of tomatoes for a long time. And we've got the cannabis experience and the Health Canada regulatory channel experience. So together we've got a facility that's 1.1 million square feet, and half of which is under cultivation currently. And so we're going to be producing at a very high level, very high quality cannabis for the rec market and the medical market that we've been serving already for 4 years.
Wow, well, you guys are very visionary, and that's a great partnership. Now, what really sets you apart? Can you particularly point something out?
Well, I think we are, believe it or not, despite the fact our market cap is sort of mid-tier at about 800 million, give or take today, but we have lots of supply. We've got the facility with our joint venture in Delta. We've got a facility in Quebec, but we can play. We're big enough to play from a production with the big boys, and we've got a number of deals coming on stream with the market. But what really sets us apart is the science that we bring to it. There's an amazing amount of variability in the products that are available to consumers. You can try a product or 1 week, and you can go back to the same supplier the next week, and you get a totally different experience. And people tell me and our company a lot about how that's not satisfying. And so what we bring an approach that's very scientific, from people that have been doing it in the life sciences business for decades, that have brought drugs together to the market for many years successfully. So that's what makes us different, is we have a scientific approach to creating products that are going to be highly in demand because of the repeated experience. You know what you're going to get, so that the enlightened consumer is going to be very interested in our products.
So that's comforting to consumers, but it's also comforting to your investors, of course, that they're hooking their chain up with the right people. So why should the investors invest with you now?
Oh, well, I think right now we're at a great time in our valuation relative to peers, but I think the strategy that we've got in place is strong, and it really relates to servicing the recreational market for that informed consumer who's interested in really knowing what he or she is going to put in the body, but also the outlook and the market size on creating products that are going to help with really important medical challenges. So people that suffer from pain, from anxiety, who don't sleep well, or who have just wanting a different energy modulation. These products are going to tap into some massive markets, and if you can win in that market, which I think we can, it's a great story for you. So our vision long term would be, to be competing. If you somebody who has a pain problem that you want to address, you may one day go to the store and see alongside Tylenol or Aleve an Emerald product to treat that pain. So we think that's very exciting, and that's kind of the direction where we think long term is going to be important to us.
That's great. Well, we're here with Small Cap Power, and I'm talking to Rob Hill, which is the CFO of Emerald Health Therapeutics. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you much success.
Thanks, Lita.